Hey, what's up guys? I have here a 2002 Nissan Xterra, no start, 3.3 motor. The gas pump located at the right rear. This is the gas pump in here. You just pull the seat, pull this cover out here, and pull out the gas pump here. Fuel pump is not working. You got to burn the fuel pump. Also, I disassembled the fuel pump already. This is the fuel regulator here for the gas gauge here. Just tell you how much in the tank. Here is the fuel pump. If you don't know which is the power wire, is just two wire plugs in, and that's one is a ground and one is a power. Okay guys, catch you on the next one. Peace.